Hello everyone, welcome back to the Money Eyes channel. Today I am going to be recording a daily plan in my planner. As I said in another video, I am liking doing the daily planners. It's keeping me more focused on what needs to be done for the day, and I have yet to do this, but I will do weekly spreads here and there throughout this planner. That just works better for me. Just if I'm bored or I need to plan ahead or something like that, then I'll just be doing a weekly spread. But I'm going to just go ahead and fill out a little bit of this planner. I love that I went ahead and just added in all of the text boxes prior to needing to use them, because it saves a whole lot of time when you need to just get in here and make a quick note or plan your day. It does take a little time in the beginning, but once you set it up, which is like, I recommend that just to set things up before you even get started, just because once you're in planning mode, you don't want to have to stop and set up all the text boxes. It is a tedious thing and you want to make sure everything's lined up right, but it's definitely worth it in the end. So I'm going to just let you guys watch me fill this out for a second and I will be back. Okay, so now that I have a few tasks in for the day, I do fill these out the day before. I'm still reading the same book. It's not really one of those books that you read straight through. It has homework and things in it, so I am going back and rereading chapters and things like that. But this is one thing that I wanted to say. I am so excited because I created my own stickers. Now, please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about these. I am in the process of learning how to create stickers, and I would like to set up an Etsy shop here pretty soon. But I just needed to get a little bit more comfortable in actually creating these stickers and making sure I'm following the rules for them, because there's a lot of different things that are in the background of actually being able to sell these. Now, right now, I'm just using it for personal use and just practicing and seeing if I can put the collections together and all of that. But I am proud of this. It took me all of January to figure out how to do this, and now that it's done, I'm happy I'm able to use it, and I will be creating more sticker collections. I will still be purchasing, because I do have a few shops that I love to purchase from. They have great designs, such as Documented by Jess. I always quote her in all of these. And also Luxe Book. She hasn't really put anything new out, but she still has some stuff that I didn't buy yet, and she does good work as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and use a few of these stickers and decorate this spread, and I will be back. I'm sure we all know by now that GoodNotes did add a new lock feature, which is awesome. I do like that they are adding more and more things, but I'm still going to stick with Noteful because of the different layers. Now, sometimes when I'm recording, I might have some sensitive information on a page, so I can turn that layer off and still be able to continue to decorate and plan and put these videos up. So I will stay in Noteful for that reason. But um, everybody, thanks again for coming back to the Money Eyes channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps my channel. And please, please, please leave comments. Let me know how you guys feel about the stickers that I'm using, and if anybody has any suggestions, anything that they think that I could do better, or anything along that nature. I will be posting again soon, and I just want to thank you guys for coming back. Thank you.